Hello, we are the Cold War History and I'm going to explain the Eastern Bloc of the Cold War. The Eastern Bloc was formed by Romania, Poland, Czechoslovakia, Yugoslavia, Soviet Union, Oriental Germany, Bulgaria, Albania and Hungary. And there were also African and Asian countries such as Angola or North Korea. It was created because the USSR wanted to consolidate the communist power in the world and because they wanted more international influence, and for this reason they took economic and military measures. The treaties of the USSR were El Comecon in 1949, the Treaty of Varsovia in 1955, and it was a military alliance of communists, and then the Sino-Soviet Non-Aggression Pact with China. Then in 1949 Mao Zedong took the power of China and established it as a communist state because he won the Civil War. But China and USSR had a good relation because they were the two largest communist states in the world, and also because they had divergences from national interests, and also because they had different interpretations of the Marxism. Mao considered that the communism of the USSR was a betrayal against Marxism, and then China created its rival network to battle for a local control, and it produced the way of relations between China and USA. And the relation between China and USSR continued tense until 1989.